Welcome to BreakTech, your gateway to technological innovations that revolutionize our world. Get ready to explore intelligent machines combined with ecological solutions that shape our future. Let's embark together on this captivating journey at the heart of technological innovation. Discover this slick press producing 28 metal covers in just 44 seconds. Discover how a simple but effective tool cuts large chocolate sheets with precision. This application shows how technology brilliantly adapts to the food industry. Explore this car washing system operating without human intervention. This innovation considerably simplifies our daily tasks and improves our quality of life. Observe this modern agricultural machine that presses hay bales with remarkable efficiency. Discover how hay production becomes fast and easy thanks to this modern system. This innovation considerably accelerates construction and improves overall process efficiency. Here's a revolutionary and simplified method for lifting heavy loads. These rollers remarkably facilitate the movement of objects while protecting ground surfaces. This remarkable invention preserves surface integrity during transport. With this revolutionary machine, dyeing clothes becomes a real hobby. This technology transforms a complex industrial task into a simple and accessible process. This machine excels in the art of intelligent and organized storage. Discover this cutting machine that elevates pasta preparation to a superior level. This invention revolutionizes traditional culinary techniques. Admire this unique cutting style made possible by this exceptional machine. This robot creates various metal forms thanks to a simple articulated arm. This elegant technology demonstrates the remarkable versatility of modern robotics. This revolutionary machine transforms trees into fine dust, definitively solving cutting problems. This method optimizes textile production and improves manufacturing efficiency. This iron wire shaper demonstrates the remarkable precision of modern machines. This ground area marker precisely delimits restricted spaces. This robot creates metal with a simple arm, in various forms. It's stylish, isn't it? Cutting a tree is no longer a problem with this machine, which reduces everything to dust. Pressing cushions becomes easier with this technique. Iron wire shaper. Revolutionary invention to cut peanuts in a blink of an eye. It's fantastic! This ingenious technique allows you to easily cut a large roll of adhesive tape into several small rolls, thus simplifying your work. Discover how a large roll of adhesive tape is divided into several small ones. A demonstration of the precision of modern machines. You're going to love it! Discover how a hydraulic press creates 28 cast aluminum molds. A demonstration of the versatility of industrial machines. Isn't that great? Discover how railways are laid with a giant automatic machine. an impressive infrastructure project that shows the extent of human achievements. You're going to love it. See how an agricultural machine presses hay bales. An innovation that transforms agriculture and improves efficiency. It's fantastic. Observe a machine laying railway bridges. An impressive engineering project that shows the extent of human achievements. It's breathtaking. Discover how modern technology is used to paint ground indicators, improving accessibility and safety for everyone. It's incredible. Discover how empty cans are cut to be recycled, transforming waste into useful resources and contributing to a cleaner environment. Discover a machine that peels eggs easily. It's magical. You're going to love it. It's impressive. See how large cables are cut with precision to recycle copper. An ecological method to reuse materials. Observe a tool bending iron bars in a few seconds. A demonstration of the power of modern machines. Discover an ingenious tool that makes simple, efficient cans recycling. A solution that could revolutionize our habits. Observe objects moving on an automated rail. An impressive demonstration of the precision and efficiency of automation. Discover the fascinating art of transforming metal into various shapes. You're going to be surprised. How does it weave so quickly? This industrial precision considerably improves packaging quality. Thank you for watching this fascinating exploration of technological innovations. Stay connected with BreakTech to discover new epic and exciting technological adventures.